Alright, this might be the most powerful portable air duster I've ever tested in my 3D print studio. This is the WOLFBOX MegaFlow200 Air Duster. And it's not your typical compressed air can replacement, okay? This thing hits a peak wind speed of 87.5 meters per second and the wind pressure of 270 grams. And today, we're not just talking specs. We're testing it on 3D printer dust, filament debris, enclosure corners, car interior, and camping gear. Let's see if this is actually the first choice portable air duster or just marketing. Now right away, this feels solid. It weighs only 0.88 pounds, so it's super lightweight and handheld. Completely wireless, no hose, no air compressor, no canned air refills. Now it also has 3 adjustable air levels, optional removable battery which doubles usage time if you get a spare, flame retardant handle as well, square bottom design, and 4 interchangeable nozzles. Now this isn't just for blowing dust off your keyboard. This is built for serious cleaning. Now let's start with something every maker deals with: fan grills and intake vents. Now if you run Bamboo, Creality, Prusa, you know how fast dust builds up. I'm using the round nozzle here because it concentrates airflow into tight areas. And this is where that 87.5 meter per second wind speed shows up. It doesn't gently push dust, it launches it. You can visibly see buildup get blasted out of the grill and vents immediately. No compressed air cans, no moisture as well, no waiting. Now this is where I really care. Rails, slots, linear guides, grooves where filament dust accumulates. I'm switching this to the long nozzle for deeper penetration into the tight channels. And honestly, it clears rails fast without me needing to flip the printer upside down or push a brush. That high wind pressure of 270 grams makes a difference here. Now I'm using the flat nozzle because it spreads airflow across wider surfaces. Now this is perfect for bed edges, enclosure corners, cable channels, under build plates. This is where this tool shines for 3D print maintenance. You can clean the entire enclosure in under 30 seconds. Now if you print regularly, this saves you time. Now if you remove supports, if you trim prints, if you sand models, you get filament chips everywhere. Now instead of brushing everything into the floor, I'm blasting it into the collection area. This thing clears a workbench instantly. That's real productivity. Now come with me, let's go inside the car. Using the long nozzle again for AC vents, seat cracks, dashboard grooves. Now you can see dust fly out immediately. It's powerful enough to dislodge deep debris, but compact enough to keep in your glove compartment. Wireless makes this extremely convenient. Now let's talk control. There are 3 adjustable air levels here: low for electronics, medium for general cleaning, and high for maximum power blasting. It makes it versatile for all tasks. We all know that not everything needs that 87.5 meter per second wind. Now let's talk battery. As you can see, it's fully wireless. There's also an optional removable battery. If you buy a second battery, you literally double your working time. For creators or car detailers, that's huge. And again, 0.88 pounds. You can hold this for extended cleaning without fatigue. Now who is this for? 3D printer owners, maybe PC builders, if you own a PC at all, car detailers, outdoor campers, workshop owners, and anyone tired of compressed air cans if you regularly deal with dust buildup. This saves money long term, and you don't need to clog up the waste management area for empty cans. Now this isn't a gimmick. The WOLFBOX MegaFlow200 Air Duster is super powerful. It's versatile, it's portable, it replaces canned air, and the multiple nozzles system actually makes sense depending on use case. Now for a 3D printing studio specifically like what I have here, this is extremely practical. Now if you want to clean fast, boost airflow, and go fully wireless, this is worth considering. If you found this helpful as well, hit the like button, drop your comments below, and I'll see you guys over there. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well if you want to see more of me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!